Good morning everyone and welcome back to May Daily's channel. So I'm going to unbox this one. Someone sent me this without any payment. And I'm not sure if what's inside. It says here May glass and it's fragile. Handle it with care. So let's see, because I remember that someone asked me to have a review of their products, and I'm not sure if it's the product that they're telling because no email and no call and nothing. So it's better that I'm going to put this one on record as I open this one, okay? So, it's so hot in here. I am wearing this attire with my Kili power. Let's see, guys. What's this? The address is not mentioned. Pampanga, Angeles City. Pampanga, Angeles. So, I'm just curious. I'm so curious. Ta-da! Super hot, super duper hot. So, yeah, it's Feathers and GD. Makeup is good, but great skin is better. Yeah, it's the package that they're telling me about. So, let's see. Let's look at this. It's sealed, guys. And you have to open this one like this. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Nagun sa makada, sure. So I received this package today. It's pizza. Sunday, October 17, 2021. So I already received their package. And woo, it's a headband. Secret. This one also. And I have here this one. So, I'll give you an update after I'll use this one. Thank you, Feathers and GD. So, that's all. I received this package today, and I'm thankful for your products. Thank you and bye.